Okay, so this is our room here. This is our virtual room. We have different kinds of furniture. You can see over there, there's a couch, there's a seat there, there's a table. All of those are non-interactable. The only interactable thing, the only interactable part of this room is basically this here. So we have a table, we have 4 objects, and we can basically interact with these controllers. So these are my hands. I can interact with those. So the whole point of this project is that I should be able to recognize what the objects are, assuming that I can't see properly. So now if I use my hands, I could go here and grab anything and say, what is this? And then it should tell me what it is. So if I try it out, if I take, let's say this one. What is this?
Light ball.
What is this?
Torch.
Okay, so it works. This is using hands, but I can also use lasers. And the way I can switch between those two is either by voice or by using the menu. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the menu here. So I have hand grabbing. If I click here, of course I'm already using my hand, so it doesn't work. But if I go here, I switch.
You are now using a laser pointer to select objects.
Okay, now you can see the pointer. I can select any object from far away. I can even be over here, and I can be like, okay, what is this?
Blue mud.
What is that?
Light ball.
Okay, so that works too. Now the last thing I want to show you is how I can switch between those two controls by using voice instead of the menu here. So, of course, I'm assuming that I can't see properly, so the menu shouldn't be as easy to use as it seems now. So now I can activate the voice recognition by using the A button here that you can see. It's right here. I can deactivate it by using the B button, which is right here. And so if I now activate the voice recognition and say switch to hands, it should switch to the other control. So let's try it out. Click on A. Switch to hands.
You are now using hands to control objects.
There you go. I can switch back using the same thing to laser. So if I click again on A, of course I can't see it now, but I can feel it on my hand. So if I click on A, switch to laser.
You are now using a laser pointer to select objects.
There you go. So that's the project. So both the laser and the hand grabbing works. We can identify different objects using those two. We can just select them either from far away if we're using lasers, or close up if you're using hands. And you can switch between the two controls either by using the menu, if you can find it, or by using the voice recognition through the controllers. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and see you in class.